Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 really awesome iPhone shortcuts that I believe every iPhone user must have on their device. Now, of course, shortcuts are amazing. They can do a lot of things that you cannot do with other iPhone apps, and of course, they are very useful, but I feel like not a lot of iPhone users actually use them and take advantage of the cool things that you can do better and faster and even more with shortcuts. Now we're starting things off with this one right here. It is called Where Are You? Now it's really interesting. Now this is meant to be used with Siri. So what you do with this shortcut? Well, if you just leave your iPhone somewhere in your house and you cannot find it, all you have to do is just say the word. I won't say the word because it will trigger Siri on your devices, and then say where are you? Where are you? And as you can see, it turns the volume all the way up and it starts ringing. That way you will be able to quickly find your iPhone. The way it works is simply it will just turn up the ringer volume. It will start a timer for 3 seconds and then of course it plays the sound. That way you can easier find your iPhone. Next up is YouTube link with timestamp. Now this one can be used from the share sheet on the YouTube app and it's very useful. How many times do you want to send a video to someone, but you want to just tell them about or show them something specific on that video? Let's say it is on this video at 1 minute 30 seconds. You don't have to tell them go to 1 minute and 30 seconds. The way this shortcut works is pretty cool. You tap the share button right here on the YouTube app and then go to more. It will show you the share sheet that you will have YouTube link with timestamp. You tap right there and just simply enter the time. So if I want to show something at 1:30, I just type there 1:30, tap done, and now I can go ahead and copy that URL on the clipboard of my device. As you can see right here, I have the link now pasted, and if I tap on it, it will open YouTube. It will open that video exactly at 1:30. Next up is QR Anything. It allows you to turn anything you want into a QR code. So you tap on the shortcut, it will run. You can go from Wi-Fi networks to images, URLs, text, your clipboard, or your current Wi-Fi network. So basically anything on your iPhone can be shared via a QR code. So if I just want to do some text here, I can just go ahead, enter any text I want, tap the done button right there, and just like that, it has now created a QR code which I can use to share that link, that image, that text, whatever I want. Of course, from here you will be able to tap on the share button and save this QR code as an image on your device. Separate audio is the next one for the video. It allows you to separate the audio from any video that you have under the camera roll of your device. The way it works, pretty simple. You go to your video and then just tap on the share button. Right here you will find separate audio, so you run the shortcut from the share sheet, you tap right there, and then it will just separate the audio out of that video, and you will be able to basically save it on your Files app. Just wait here once it's done, and you can go to your Files app. Of course, you can browse here on any folder you want, and just save that audio file that it has actually extracted from that video. 4G, 5G is the next one. Now this one is very useful, even though it's a very simple shortcut. You can place it as a widget on the home screen of your device, and it allows you to quickly toggle between 4G and 5G. So you can see how quick that is, and it doesn't have any options. If you're on 4G and you run it, it will switch to 5G. If you're on 5G and you run it, then it of course will switch to 4G. App Icon Downloader is the next one for the video. It allows you to download icons from the App Store. Any icon of any app that's on the App Store, you can actually download to your device. So you run the shortcut right here, enter the name of the app. Once you have entered the name, you tap the done button. You choose here the format, so we're going with iPhone. And then it will show you here the options of what you have searched for basically, so we can just pick any one we want. and there is the image here. Now what you can do is of course tap the done button or tap here the share button, save this as an image, or tap done right there, and from here you can even mask the image. So if we tap on mask, you can choose to save it as a circle or as an icon which has a rounded corner. So let's go with icon. There it goes. Now it's basically an icon. We can go ahead and again save this as an image under the camera roll. The next shortcut for the video is called charging notifications. Basically, the name tells it all. It notifies you when your iPhone has been charged at a certain level. Now, how do you pick that level? Pretty simple. You run the shortcut right here and you choose the level 30, 50, 85, or 100. Or what you can do is tap on choose and you can just go ahead and choose any percentage you want. Tap on allow to allow this shortcut to send you notifications. Once you have done that, right there you have the notification. Battery level right there, 71%. Unplug the charger and it basically gives you that notification every time your iPhone will reach a certain point when it's charging, the certain point that of course you pick. Show albums of photos/videos. Any photos or videos that you have on your camera roll, you can pick them once you run this shortcut, and it will show you a list of all the albums where you have that photo or video saved. So you run the shortcut and pick any video or photo. So once I have picked the photo, right there you can see it says this item belongs in 2 albums, and it shows the list of the albums where I have that photo saved. And last but not least is shot on iPhone. This one is pretty cool as well. It will add like a banner to your photo and it shows all the details regarding that photo. So here's how it works. You run the shortcut and pick a photo you want. And once you have done that, just wait here for a few seconds. You can choose the light or the dark mode for the banner. And now here we have the picture, and right here we have all the details with the banner here. So it says shot on the iPhone, we have the Apple logo there, the date and the time, and of course right here you will have the ICO. You have everything there, like the lens that it has been used and also the aperture to which this has been shot. And last but not least is photo details. Now with photo details, you will see everything you need to know regarding a photo, things that you don't actually see on the Photos app. So you run the shortcut and pick the photo you want. Once you have picked the photo, you can see right there at the top you will have the file name for that photo, and then right here you will have every detail you need to know about a photo. So the date taken, the media type, photo type, you can see the width there, the file size, the camera maker, the camera model, everything, the lens model, the ICO speed, the f-stop, shutter speed, aperture, everything can be seen right here. Things of course that you don't actually see on the Photos app. So that is it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. All the links to these shortcuts will be in the pinned comment. So go ahead and download any of these if you like them. Leave a like of course if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.